Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my 2008 Chevy Express. We're going to be changing a couple things on it, on the AC system. Hooked up my gauges. It looks like it leaked everything out. I was going to use my machine here, but then I realized there was nothing in the system. That being said, we got our orifice tube here. And then I'm going to change this port as well for the high pressure line. And then here's that switch that is leaking. So let's get started. You can see high side goes here, low side goes right down there, the receiver dryer, and then I saw my leak coming out of here right off the switcher. So on the side over here, this is where our orifice tube is, and actually before attempting to remove that, there is a 7/32 screw right here, and I'm going to try to sneak this impact in there. It's a 13 millimeter. Now we'll take it out. Now go ahead and pull this line off. And I have these pliers that I shaved down on the metal grinder. You can use that, or you can buy the special tool once you got a hold of it. This is your orifice tube. This one doesn't look all too bad, but let's replace. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's replace it. So I have my new orifice tube. Yes, I know there's a tool for this, but we're using what we got. And this is the oil. I could be wrong on this one. I read a forum. It said it could be the 46 or a 150. But I found more saying that it was a 150. So this is the direction it's installed, and we are going to push it through. And now we can put this back. If you were able to find this seal, I highly recommend you change it. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to have to reuse it. Let's go ahead and put this back. And the little screw on the bottom here, probably put that on first. Now that it's being held, let's go ahead and tighten this up. There we go. Alright, next part, we'll be doing this valve. You know, I could not find the size for this, so we're going to use this crescent wrench. There we go. Alright, let's put the new one on. Alright, now for the next part. Okay, this was our main problem. I already disconnected the switch, but get your 16 millimeter wrench down there and lefty loose. There we go. And our switch is out. Now you're going to go ahead and get this O-ring off. Okay. There it is. Since I do have a new Schrader valve, I'm going to go ahead and take the old one out. You're going to use one of these tools. And there's the old one. Put the new one in. Make sure you put the new O-ring. Let's put our new switch in. What was probably bad was either the Schrader valve or that O-ring, but might as well go ahead and replace this. Now I got one more Schrader valve that goes right here. There we go. Put our new one in. Now let's plug in our switch and let's pull a vacuum on the system. I went ahead and opened them. And then what you do is hook it up to your vacuum pump. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Try to make sure it's leveled. And then go ahead and open it up. So after 15 minutes, I'm gonna let it rest, see if it goes down, and that'll determine if we have a leak. Can't remember the exact specs, but I'm gonna do 15 minutes and then another 30 minutes of vacuum after I clear it. Okay, so this next part, I'm just gonna skip through, add the refrigerant. There's many videos on YouTube that show you how to do it. I'm gonna use a scale so I can do it accurately. It's 2 pounds. So I'm gonna get this off and I'm gonna show you how cold it is and we'll take it from there. Okay, so we are going lower and lower, which that confirms our fix. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.